One plant is known for its extreme heat, the other for its unique colour, and today they're both getting an upgrade. Good afternoon, good evening, good night everybody. Hope you're doing well. Happy Saturday to you all. Saturday 20th of June 2026, and it is day 125 of the grow up. Everything's looking alright out here, drying out nicely, so we're going to grab a couple of plants, a couple of our biggest growers out of the big pots, get them into grow bags right away, slowly get everything transplanted into its permanent home for the season. I think everything's looking alright so far. Again, we're just letting them dry out really from that storm. They're starting to, but yeah, they just need more time, so we're going to leave most of them alone and just get the two and get them in the grow bag for today. Other than that, I hope you're doing well. I hope you're having an awesome weekend so far and enjoying the sun. 22 degrees out here today. Bit warm, innit, kid? Yeah, let's do this. Let's get into day 125. Fried egg, madam. So we've got the two plants here, ready to be transplanted over. Filled the soil up and then put the plant pot in, so it's going to make a perfect size for the plant once it's taken out of the pot. Let's get them both out of their pots, and do a little root comparison. Both the plants are out. This one here is the ghost pepper. It's definitely got a lot more roots than the jalapeno. The jalapeno has a lot more on the side, I think. Ghost pepper on its own. Both are looking great. Let's get them into the larger pots right away. In he goes. Press them down. Bring some soil from the sides. Press them down. Ready to go. Black Jalapeño. There we go. Our ghost pepper and our black jalapeno. Some water and fertiliser in there, just because it's new soil and it's very dry. There we go. That wraps up day 125, everybody. It's all looking good. We'll have a closer check through in the next few days, but it's going to be pretty much transplanting now. Get them all sorted. Don't want to be too late in the season for them. Thank you all so much for joining us. It means the world to me. If you're enjoying this journey, don't forget, like, share, subscribe, drop us a comment. Let us know how we're doing. You take care of yourselves, okay? Make sure you look after me, myself and I, because no one's going to throw you a lifeline if you're drowning. You take care, and we'll see you tomorrow. See you Sunday for day 126. Thank you all. Take care. Bye-bye.